Hi friends, today is our little hero Arjun's birthday. He's super excited. His uncle Vikram, a robotics engineer, promised him a special gift this year. Arjun doesn't know what it is, but his dad hinted. It might just be a robot.
Meet REX, the Reflective Example Unit. It'll learn from you every single day for 66 days. And after that, everything it learns becomes permanent.
66 days? Wait, you mean after that it's gonna copy everything I do?
Exactly who you choose to be.
Learning from Arjun begins now, and if you want to learn too, press subscribe.
Arjun laughed, not realizing this tiny robot was about to change his life, one day at a time. Rex didn't just observe, it remembered everything. When Arjun left his bed messy, his mother fixed it without a word. But later that day, Rex copied exactly what it saw, even the messy part.
Hey, what are you doing?
Copying you.
Copying me? That's not funny.
Days passed. Rex copied everything, not just the bad habits, but the good ones too. When Arjun folded his hands in prayer before eating, Rex did the same. When he held the door open for his dad, Rex waited and held it too. Every careless act, every loud word, every bit of laziness, it learned them all. But every small kindness, it learned that too. At first, it seemed harmless. Arjun scrolled through his phone during breakfast, ignoring his mom's call. And Rex did the same, glowing softly, copying every move. When Arjun lost his temper at home, Rex repeated it too. The same tone, the same impatience. Even in the park, when Arjun tossed a candy wrapper onto the grass, Rex followed, dropping one beside it. Every careless act, every small moment of anger or laziness, Rex learned it all, exactly as it was. And slowly, Arjun began to see himself through the eyes of the robot he had created. A week later, Arjun's friends came home to see his robot. He wanted to show them how much Rex had learned, how well it could copy and think. But Rex didn't repeat what was taught. It revealed what was absorbed. Every careless word came echoing back. The robot wasn't broken. It was a mirror. And for the first time, Arjun saw how his actions looked from the outside. That night, Arjun couldn't sleep. Every word Rex spoke echoed in his mind, words he wished he hadn't said. The laughter of his friends faded, but the truth stayed. For the first time, he saw himself through someone else's eyes. Arjun couldn't take it anymore. Next day, he visited Uncle's workshop, angry and ashamed.
I don't want this robot anymore. Everyone's laughing at me.
You can't reset it, Arjun, but you can teach it something better.
Everyone saw how bad I am.
Then show them you can change. Teach it again, one good choice at a time.
Arjun understood. He couldn't erase his mistakes, but he could fix what came next. Change didn't happen in a day, but every morning Arjun tried a little harder. Slowly, Rex began to reflect something new: kindness, patience, and care. By day 55, Rex had learned the habits Arjun always wanted. Not the ones he used to hide, but the good one. Morning sunlight filled the park. Arjun and Rex were picking up the last bits of litter. Suddenly, Rex's chest glowed blue. Day 66 of 66. Final day. A soft countdown began. 10, 9, 8.
It takes 66 days to build a new habit, Arjun. Small efforts every day. That's how real change happens.
Arjun looked at Rex and understood. Change doesn't come at once. It grows, one day at a time. Arjun finished his 66 days. Now it's your turn to build good habits. Tap subscribe, keep learning, and shine bright every day. Change doesn't happen overnight. It grows, one small habit at a time.